Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, it means so much if you click that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Today I wanted to do a huge summer baby girl clothing haul. I haven't done a baby girl clothing haul since I was super pregnant. Now Sophia is over 7 months old. It was time to get her some summer outfits now that the weather is getting so hot. Baby girl clothing is just so cute. I cannot resist. I'll be sharing you clothing from Carter's, Marshalls / Winners, and Joe Fresh. I think I have one thing from Amazon, but for the most part, that is where these items are from. She's just been growing so fast, so we needed to get some bigger size clothing, and also she's just so spoiled by all her family, especially her grandmothers. They love to gift her clothes. Let's start first with Carter's. Carter's actually gifted Sophia a bunch of pieces from their new summer line. I was so excited when I was contacted by Carter's because I'm such a huge fan of them now that I have a baby girl. I love their clothing and I can't wait to share with you guys these pieces because they're so adorable. So starting first with this piece, because this is one of my favorites. It is jumpsuit, but has it looks like a little dress at the same time. So it's attached with the bottoms and it's just blue striped with white striped. It has the buttons going in the back. And this is gonna be so nice for the summertime. It does have the clasps here, so it's gonna be really easy to change her. I love like rompers, especially the ones that have the clasps right here. I found them so convenient and they're just super cute on as well. One of my next favorite pieces is this dress. I feel like that's also kind of like an easy thing to throw on in the summertime. It's a nice beige tan color. It has kind of like floral detailing here. It just flows out like a little baby doll dress. It has the ruffles on the straps, and then of course it comes with these little underwear to put under the dress. This next piece, I melted. How cute is this? I love this little ruffle detailing here. It's super stretchy in the front. It's like a little one piece, but it has skirt dress detailing flowing over top. It has the clips over here. I love the design of this and I just died when I saw this. This is officially her first swimsuit and I'm so excited to have her be by the water this summer because she really does love water. I really want to buy like those baby little pools that you can just put in your backyard or have it outside because I feel like she's going to love that. So I definitely want to get that for the summertime for her. But how cute is that? I want to show you guys a couple of the accessories they sent over. The first one being these sunglasses. I can't. These are little seashell sunglasses. They're tan. I can't wait to put her in these. I have a couple more sunglasses I bought, kind of like the floral ones. But when I saw these, I died a little. They're just so adorable. So it comes with this beige headband, which is gonna look so cute with that dress. And then it also has these two little seashell clips as well. If you have been following me on Instagram or even seeing a couple of my videos, you guys know Sophia has a ton of hair. She was born with a ton of hair. None of it fell out. So her hair has just been growing and growing. I've been having so much fun styling it, but she definitely needs her hair styled. It is way too long to keep down. It just goes all over her eyes. Always use like clips and hair ties and headbands. They come in handy. And then the last piece that we got from Carter's is just this white top. It flares out at the bottom and has a little keyhole design with a button. And the keyhole I really like is in the front instead of the back. Super stretchy, lightweight. This is just gonna go with so many different bottoms and be such a staple to have. That is everything that we got for Carter's. So I want to give a big shout out to Carter's for sending over Sophia some goodies. Let's move on to Marshalls / Winners. I have a ton of pieces to share with you guys from there. They have such adorable baby girl clothing. I guess I'll share with you guys a couple onesies because I do really love, like I said, jumpsuits and onesies. So the first one, which I am obsessed with, is this lemon jumpsuit. I can't. Also came with a headband, which I have in her drawer behind me. It's super breathable. It's lightweight. It has all the buttons going on the bottom here. So like I said, when doing diaper changes, super convenient. You don't have to take the whole onesie off or the whole outfit off. So I really love that. But I love the little lemons. And another one is this one, which I've already put her in. Similar type of jumpsuit, but this one's just, of course, a light baby pink, and it just has the daisies all over. You guys know I love my daisies. I don't know why, I just started loving daisies when I became pregnant. It became a thing where the whole theme was always daisies. And this as well has the buttons going all around here. It just has the ruffles sleeves. And sometimes, of course, if it's like a little bit breezier, you could put actually a little t-shirt underneath. But when it's really hot, I like to just throw this on. This is actually one of the newest pieces. I haven't washed this one yet. And this was, like I said, from Marshalls. This is just like a beige little two-piece. It has the matching shorts and then it has the top. It is just so gorgeous. It has like the eyelet design with the florals, buttons going all down. Really nice shorts as well. I've definitely been trying to get a few more shorts for Sophia because we have a lot of pants, but like I said, now that it's getting so hot, I've been wanting to get more shorts. And they had all different styles of this actually in different colors, but I really liked the neutral one with all the different florals. Another one I got is just a two-piece set. So this is just like a neutral, once again, t-shirt. It has shooting stars all over. It has the ruffles on the sleeve, which is such a cute girly touch. And then it comes with the matching pants, which it has the little tie. It's just cuffed on the bottom of the pants, super stretchy white waistband. Next, I have a few dresses. So the first one being this little floral dress. It's just white and it has the little, I guess, like pink roses all around, little t-shirt dress. And then of course, all the dresses came with these, this little under layer to put. We also have this floral dress, similar kind of style. And then in the middle, it also has strawberries, which I think is really cute. Lastly, we have this dress. This one came with a little sweater, but let me undo the sweater. Without the sweater, it just looks like this. This one has a little lace trimming on the bottom. It has the florals, of course. It has ruffling here where the neckline is, the little buttons on the back. But I really love this and I love how it comes with a little sweater. Speaking of dresses, I want to share with you my favorite dress. It is so stinking cute and it is just this one. So this is another floral dress, but it is blue. It's purple. Favorite part about the dress is the back of the dress. It just has this big, beautiful bow. It's just so beautiful. I can't wait to put her in this. It comes with the little matching shorts underneath, and then it also came with a matching headband. Then I also have this little romper. This one is more of like a shorts romper, not like a full-length pant, but it just has the ruffling, super stretchy, super comfortable, and it just has, once again, like the baby doll pink, and it also has little flowers all over it, kind of like little daisies, I guess, all over it. But this is also going to be really nice now that it is a lot warmer outside. Another one I picked up recently is this little onesie. So I love these little short onesies as well. We have a couple of them and we've been wearing them a lot, so I had to pick up another one. And this one is just a strawberry one. It has the little clasps on the bottom, and I just find these convenient to put in when it's super hot, instead of putting her in her onesie pajamas with like the long pants and the long sleeves. Sometimes it's just way too hot to play in, so I like to put her in these ones. This actual set came with this top as well, and it's just a purple top with two strawberries that say sweetest friends, and it comes with these little mini shorts. So it was kind of like a 2-in-1 when I went ahead and bought this from Marshalls. So just recently, my baby girl got baptized. We got her this little outfit and it just says blessed on it, like a little onesie, and then it came with the matching pants, floral pants. And I love sometimes when the pants come with feet so that you don't have to put on little socks, because I find a lot of the times little socks, they just fall off so easily, or she'll just grab them off. So it's sometimes nice to have these little pants that just come with the attached feet. And then another outfit is this little two-piece set. So this just comes with t-shirt with the daisy and the ruffles kind of sleeves, and then it comes with these matching little cream pants with the ruffle detailing on the bottom. It has two little pockets here. I've already put her in this and I'm obsessed with it. Next we have top. So it's just a pink top, has the ruffling on the ends of the sleeves, and then it can also be paired with like these little blue leggings that have the little ruffles. These are super stretchy and nice. And then we also have this. It's kind kind of like a dress, but it did come with these little leggings that are floral, so you could put it underneath. But it is gorgeous. Love the pink baby doll color. Love the little ruffling near the sleeves. It has the little buttons in the back, and the buttons are in little flowers, which is a cute touch. I'll style these leggings as well with like just normal basic t-shirt. Now I'm gonna move on to, I guess, the one thing that I picked up on Amazon. When you guys are seeing this, Father's Day has already passed. I did go ahead and pick this up for Father's Day. It's just this two-piece set. So it comes with a little t-shirt and it says Daddy's Girl on it. It came in all different colors, but I did go ahead and pick up the pink one. And then it came with these matching shorts with little pockets. These were so cute on her. They're a little bit big on her. This is from 6 months to 12, which honestly, baby clothes is always like different. Like I find some are so much bigger than others, but these definitely run a little bit big, which is nice. Amazon's really great for little things like that, but it's super stretchy, and I'm totally gonna style these shorts with other tops as well. Now moving on to Joe Fresh. So my mother-in-law picked up a ton of pieces for Sophia from Joe Fresh. They have really cute baby clothing there, baby girl clothing, and I have to show you guys some of the latest summer pieces. I guess I'm gonna start first with the rompers, which I have to say, they kill the romper game. These are my two favorites right here from Joe Fresh. Comes with this little like cream t-shirt. This one's a pink one with the daisies. This has, of course, the buttons on the bottom here. And then this is one just in yellow with little daisies. I love putting Sophia in them. And like I said, the t-shirts come out. You can definitely use that for other outfits. And then we also have these two rompers, which are short rompers, which is really cute. So this one is kind of like a cheetah print with daisies, and it's just this cute little orange one. Like I said, it has the shorts, it has the ruffle detailing here, and then we also have one in purple, and the purple one has a butterfly design all over. It has the little pockets, and then like I said, it also has the ruffles here. So I really love these as well. And another fun jumpsuit that they have is this one, this denim one. It has the stretchy waistband, the ruffles on the sleeves. This one is a pant. I love the denim. I think that's so adorable. Speaking of denim, we also have this little dress from Joe Fresh. It is a little denim dress, and I love the little butterfly detailing over there. I love when there's butterflies on baby girl clothes. Another one is another dress from Joe Fresh, and it's just this beautiful like light pink slash purple color. It has like the eyelet detailing on the bottom here with little florals. It has the cute little straps with a little bow here, and it just kind of flows out, like I said, like a little baby doll dress. And then lastly are a couple of pieces which are for Canada's Day. Canada's Day is on July 1st. So this is gonna be so cute. I can't wait to put her in this. So it just comes with these little shorts, and it just says A on it. It has the peace signs, the maple leaf, and then it comes with this t-shirt which says love with the maple leaves for the O. Or you could put this one, which I'm totally going to get a photo of her in this, and this one just says Tiny Canadian. So I think that's gonna look so adorable with the shorts, and she's all set for first Canada's Day. But that is all the summer pieces. They grow so fast, but I cannot help myself when it comes to baby clothes. Let me know where your favorite place to shop at for baby clothes in the comment section. I would love to know. If you guys wanna see more videos like this, thumbs it up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!